Making a recording of the sewer line here at 7728 and 7722 11th Avenue Northwest. The date is June 22nd, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out. This is an existing clean out here at the back. What do we call this? The northeast corner of 7722. So we're looking at the Seattle City main. I'll show you the clean out that we're at, taking this from here in a second. But Seattle City main, coming back almost immediately into our 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipeliner within 1 foot of the main, like we had prescribed in the proposal. Coming back through this liner, the liner turned out really nice and smooth. 6-inch diameter. I believe there were 60-some feet of it. Then we come back into our 6-inch diameter PVC. So we dug a pretty long trench here to try to correct grade through a back-graded section of concrete pipe. So originally on site came out, this section was completely back-graded. We've dug a close to 30-foot long trench now to try to repair this or reset this grade. And as you can see, we've made it quite a bit better. There is a small amount of standing water in this pipe. But this was, like I said, a 30-foot or so trench through this driveway to try to correct what was a back-graded sewer line, and now just has a minor amount of sewage sitting in it. There you see a couple of tie-ins for the houses. One on the left, I believe. Well, I think that's maybe the toilet line. I think we're upside down. But coming back now, this is where the Bob Oates repair ends right here, and we come back connected to the existing PVC repair. Oh, excuse me. That's where the Bob Oates repair ends, and we come back into the existing PVC repair. So there's the connection from the existing PVC to the new Bob Oates Schedule 40 PVC. We come back up this existing SDR 35 cleanout. And there is a clean out we're making this recording from. It's right next to the rain barrel here in the corner of the yard. So, end the recording there.